What's up, YouTube? So, some good news. I finally, this time I'm for reals now, I finally finalized all the wiring except for one wire. I got the 5th gauge cluster in. It's all wired up with fuel gauge, tack, all the lights and stuff, you know, check engine, oil pressure, as well as coolant temperature. The only one that I'm missing is the speedo. I can't quite figure out what wire in the 5th gen chassis harness does that connect to, so I'm just tired of doing wiring right now and whatever not, but check it out. I forgot to take those light bulbs out, but I got my tack, got my coolant, fits in there okay, it's not too bad. I mean, minus obviously the gaps there, it's not made for it, but other than that, works pretty well. So yeah, man, I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Oh, side note, hold on. I'm gonna put the camera down real quick, hold on. I have a working OBD2 reader. I was working on the wiring for that as well. Code 1298, that's the voltage. Everything else is set, man. I think because it has a voltage regulator on this ECU that I got from my brother, so I'm not really worried about that. But for a complete swap with no emission stuff at all, for that to be the only check engine light or check engine code, I'm excited.